Hello guys. So in the first video where I addressed the torque calculation for object on collision, there were many things that I forgot to cover as well as many things that I got wrong. So for the torque calculation, you can just use the cross product between the arm vector and the force itself, and that is enough. And many of you may ask, well, how do you find the application point here? So, yeah, in your collision detection function, if the collision returns true, just find the point of contact using by, and it is the vertex that is the closest to like the other object. So yeah, I think that is all that I want to share an update. Thank you.